Austria in winter. Snow-capped peaks piercing a sky of brilliant blue. Villages nestled in valleys twinkle with lights, welcoming you in from the cold. This is Austria transformed into a winter wonderland, a place of magic and beauty. Whether you're an avid skier, a Christmas market enthusiast, or simply seeking a cozy escape, Austria has something for everyone. Imagine yourself sipping hot chocolate with a view of snow-dusted mountains. Picture yourself gliding down perfectly groomed slopes, the wind whipping past you. Welcome back, folks, to our channel, where you go before you travel. Today we are visiting the country that comes alive with a special kind of energy, a blend of festive cheer and the thrill of winter sports. In this winter wonderland, you'll discover a world of charm, excitement, and unforgettable experiences. As the first snowflakes fall, Austria transforms into a playground for winter sports enthusiasts. The Alps, draped in a blanket of pristine white, become a magnet for skiers and snowboarders from around the globe. From gentle runs for beginners to challenging off-piste adventures for the experienced, Austria's ski resorts cater to every level. World-class facilities, charming mountain huts serving hearty meals, and an après-ski scene that's as legendary as the slopes themselves. Austria is a skier's paradise. Lace up your ice skates and glide across frozen lakes, surrounded by towering mountains. Try your hand at tobogganing, feeling the wind in your hair as you race down hillsides. Winter in Austria is also a time for celebration, and nothing embodies this festive spirit quite like the Christmas markets. Dating back centuries, these markets transform towns and cities into enchanting wonderlands. As dusk descends, the scent of roasted chestnuts and gingerbread fills the air, enticing you to explore the brightly lit stalls. Discover handcrafted treasures, from intricate ornaments to cozy woolens. Warm your hands around a mug of glühwein, the aroma of spices filling the air. The magic of Christmas comes alive in these markets. It's a chance to embrace the spirit of the season, surrounded by the beauty of Austria's winter wonderland. The Austrian Alps, a majestic tapestry of snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys, beckon skiers and snowboarders with the promise of exhilarating descents and breathtaking vistas. From the moment you set eyes upon these towering giants, you know you're in the presence of something truly awe-inspiring. Resorts like Kitzbühel, St. Anton, and Lech Zürs whisper tales of legendary skiers pushing their limits, their daring feats forever etched in the snow and ice. Beyond the thrill of high-speed descents and challenging slopes, these resorts offer a glimpse into the soul of Austrian skiing. It's in the warmth of the traditional mountain huts, where the aroma of hearty stews and freshly baked apple strudel fills the air, that you truly experience the Austrian spirit. And it's in the quiet moments, as you stand at the summit of a run, gazing out at the seemingly endless expanse of snow-covered peaks, that you understand why the Alps hold such a powerful sway over those who dare to conquer them. Skiing paradise where legends carve their mark. Kitzbühel, often dubbed the Pearl of the Alps, stands as a testament to Austria's rich skiing heritage. The legendary Hahnenkamm downhill race, a heart-stopping spectacle of speed and skill, attracts the world's best skiers, their names becoming synonymous with daring and precision. But Kitzbühel is more than just a racecourse. It's a charming town steeped in history, its cobblestone streets lined with elegant boutiques and traditional guesthouses. Venture further west and you'll discover St. Anton, a mecca for serious skiers seeking challenging terrain and an electric après-ski scene. Known for its steep slopes and off-piste adventures, St. Anton is not for the faint of heart. And when the sun begins its descent, the town comes alive with a vibrant energy as skiers gather in lively bars and clubs, reliving the day's adventures. For a more refined alpine experience, head to Lech Zürs, a collection of exclusive villages nestled high in the Arlberg region. Here, luxury and tradition blend seamlessly, from the opulent hotels to the Michelin-starred restaurants. Skiing in Lech Zürs is an experience to be savored, with perfectly groomed slopes winding through pristine forests and breathtaking views at every turn. Beyond the slopes, adventures in white wilderness. While Austria's ski resorts steal the spotlight in winter, the country's allure extends far beyond the slopes. For those seeking a more tranquil escape, the Austrian Alps offer a world of winter wonderlands waiting to be explored. Picture yourself gliding across a frozen lake, the only sound the gentle scrape of your skates and the crisp mountain air. Imagine strapping on a pair of snowshoes and venturing into the silent embrace of a snow-covered forest. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply a moment of peace and tranquility, Austria's winter wonderland has something to offer everyone. The scent of Christmas, a sensory symphony. Imagine stepping into a scene from a fairy tale. The air, crisp and invigorating, carries the aroma of roasted chestnuts and spiced gingerbread. Twinkling lights illuminate wooden stalls adorned with evergreen boughs and shimmering ornaments. The sound of carols, both familiar and enchantingly foreign, drifts through the air, inviting you to leave your worries behind and embrace the magic of the season. This is the allure of Austria's Christmas markets, a sensory symphony that captures the heart and soul of winter. From the moment you enter one of these festive wonderlands, you're transported to a world of enchantment. Children's eyes widen with delight at the sight of handcrafted toys and intricate ornaments. The aroma of Glühwein, a spiced warm wine, wafts through the air, beckoning you to gather around a glowing fire pit and share stories with friends and loved ones. The markets are a feast for the senses, a place where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Vienna's magical markets, where history meets holiday cheer. Vienna, Austria's elegant capital, transforms into a winter wonderland during the Christmas season, its grand squares and historic palaces providing a majestic backdrop for the city's renowned Christmas markets. The aroma of roasted almonds and gingerbread wafts through the air, drawing visitors into a world of festive cheer and centuries-old traditions. Among these enchanting markets, the Vienna Christmas dream at Rathausplatz stands out as a true spectacle. Imagine standing before the magnificent neo-Gothic facade of Vienna's City Hall, its towering spires illuminated against the night sky. The square transforms into a winter wonderland, with over 150 festively decorated stalls offering a treasure trove of handcrafted gifts, traditional decorations, and culinary delights. Just a short stroll away, the Christmas village at Belvedere Palace offers a more intimate setting, the Baroque splendor of the palace providing a stunning backdrop for the market's charming stalls. Salzburg and beyond unveiling the magic of smaller markets. While Vienna's grand markets captivate with their scale and grandeur, the smaller towns and villages of Austria offer a more intimate glimpse into the country's Christmas traditions. Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart and a city steeped in musical heritage, exudes a particular charm during the Christmas season. Nestled at the foot of the Hohensalzburg fortress, the Salzburg Christkindlmarkt, dating back to the 15th century, enchants visitors with its traditional wooden stalls and festive atmosphere. Imagine wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets of Salzburg's old town, the sound of carolers echoing through the crisp winter air. The scent of roasted almonds and gingerbread mingles with the aroma of pine boughs and beeswax candles, creating a sensory experience that evokes the true spirit of Christmas. Beyond Salzburg, countless other towns and villages across Austria come alive with their own unique Christmas markets. Jewels of the Alps, where time seems to stand still. Away from the bustling ski resorts and the enchanting Christmas markets, Austria holds a secret treasure, its alpine villages. These picturesque hamlets, nestled in valleys and clinging to mountainsides, offer a glimpse into a world where time seems to move a little slower, where traditions are cherished, and where the beauty of nature reigns supreme. Imagine waking to a world cloaked in pristine white, the silence broken only by the gentle chime of a distant church bell. Wooden houses, their balconies adorned with flower boxes overflowing with evergreens and twinkling lights, line cobblestone streets. The snow-capped peaks of the Alps, majestic and imposing, provide a breathtaking backdrop to this idyllic setting. The pace of life here is unhurried, the locals greeting you with warm smiles and friendly greetings. Hallstatt, a fairy-tale village reflected in time. Among Austria's many enchanting villages, Hallstatt stands out as a true gem. Nestled between the shores of a crystal-clear lake and the towering Dachstein Mountains, this UNESCO World Heritage Site seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. Its history stretches back centuries, its salt mines having attracted settlers since prehistoric times. Today, Hallstatt's beauty and charm draw visitors from across the globe, eager to experience its unique ambiance. Imagine arriving in Hallstatt by boat, the village gradually coming into view as you glide across the serene waters of the lake. Colorful houses, their facades reflected in the water's surface, create a picture-perfect scene. Explore the historic salt mines, venturing deep into the mountain to discover the source of Hallstatt's enduring prosperity. Beyond the postcard, unveiling the soul of Austrian villages. While the picture-perfect beauty of Austria's alpine villages is undeniable, It's the warmth and hospitality of their inhabitants that truly capture the heart. Step inside a traditional gasthaus, its windows steamed from the aroma of hearty stews and freshly baked pastries, and you'll be greeted with a genuine welcome. The locals, proud of their heritage and eager to share their stories, will make you feel like a long-lost friend. Gather around a crackling fire, the scent of pine filling the air, and listen as tales of generations past unfold. Learn about the traditions and customs that have shaped these villages, from the intricate wood carvings adorning the houses to the festive celebrations that mark the changing seasons. And as you venture beyond the villages, exploring the surrounding countryside on foot or by snowshoe, you'll discover a world of natural wonder. Austria in winter is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an experience that stays with you long after you've packed away your winter woolens. It's the thrill of gliding down a perfectly groomed slope, the wind whipping past you as you carve your path through the pristine snow. It's the aroma of roasted chestnuts and gingerbread filling the air as you wander through a Christmas market, the sound of carols warming your heart. It's the tranquility of a snow-covered alpine village, the silence broken only by the crunch of your footsteps and the gentle chime of a distant church bell. Austria in winter is a tapestry woven from these moments, each one a thread in a rich and unforgettable experience. Whether you seek adventure on the slopes, the magic of Christmas traditions, or simply a peaceful escape from the everyday, Austria welcomes you with open arms. Imagine yourself sipping hot chocolate in a cozy mountain hut, the warmth spreading through you as you recount the day's adventures with newfound friends. Picture yourself gazing out at a star-studded sky, the air so clear and crisp you feel like you can reach out and touch the heavens. This is the essence of winter in Austria, a place where dreams take flight and memories are made. From the moment you arrive, you'll be embraced by the warmth of Austrian hospitality. The locals, proud of their heritage and eager to share their traditions, will make you feel like one of the family. Whether you're sampling hearty local cuisine in a traditional gasthaus, listening to tales of generations past around a crackling fire, or simply enjoying a friendly chat with the shopkeeper, you'll experience the genuine warmth and generosity that defines Austrian culture. This genuine spirit of welcome, coupled with the breathtaking beauty of the Austrian Alps and the magic of centuries-old traditions, creates an experience that transcends the ordinary. It's a journey for the senses, a feast for the eyes, and a balm for the soul. So embrace the magic of an Austrian winter. Let yourself be swept away by the charm of snow-covered villages, the thrill of winter sports, and the warmth of festive cheer. Allow yourself to be present in each moment, to savor the flavors, the scents, and the sounds that make this season so special. Whether you're an avid skier, a Christmas market enthusiast, or simply someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Austria in winter offers something for everyone. Come discover the magic for yourself. As the sun begins its final descent, casting a warm glow over the snow-covered landscape, you'll feel a sense of contentment wash over you. The memories of your Austrian adventure, the laughter shared with loved ones, the thrill of discovery, the simple joy of being present in the moment. These are the souvenirs you'll carry with you long after you've returned home. Austria in winter is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you, a reminder to embrace the simple joys of life, to seek out adventure and to cherish the moments that make life extraordinary. And as you curl up by the fireplace, the scent of pine and gingerbread lingering in the air, you'll find yourself dreaming of your return to this winter wonderland, eager to once again experience the magic that awaits. So start planning your Austrian winter adventure today. Let the magic of the season, the thrill of the slopes, and the warmth of Austrian hospitality captivate your heart and create memories that will last a lifetime. Austria awaits, ready to welcome you into its winter embrace. And there you have it. That was a guide to Austria in winter. Hit the like and subscribe button for more travel tips. That's it for us, and see you on the next adventure.